everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This week we are in Hawaii for a conference. So just make it a vacation out of it. I was growing up, I've never had the opportunity to actually travel just because my family didn't have a lot of money and didn't really have the opportunity to be able to travel and do all the things that I am able to do now. I'm definitely very thankful that I'm able to enjoy life more and be able to travel and see the beautiful places in this world. It's not going to be my typical gym workout video. I will be hitting the gym this week here. I did bring lots of workout clothes to be able to work out. Gym is not the best. Very tiny little space, but we'll make do. And I hope that this video just kind of helps you out in knowing what to do when you're traveling and still focusing on your goals. Come along on this journey with me and enjoy the beautiful island of Oahu. This is our first room that we stayed on. We actually switched rooms mid-week. They greet you with a beautiful flower lei when you arrive, and this was our suite for the first few days. Pretty spacious, very comfy and cute, a boutique style. First day we had to get out on the town just to explore and check out what was near the hotel. That first day we wanted to get as much done as possible before the conference, so we actually went to the famous Diamond Head Trail and went for a hike. So getting in our steps and look at these stairs, oh my god, they actually looked worse than they actually felt, but everyone recommended this hike, so we had to do it. It took us about maybe an hour and a half to complete the entire thing, which we actually took our time and did it on our own pace, but it was definitely worth it. The views were incredible. Easy way. This way. Alright, here we go.
That's the hard pass. Go up that first so you take the easy trip. A couple of locals recommended it to us.
Not only were we hiking and walking a lot, but we had to hit the gym, do a little quick workout. I know this gym isn't all that big, but we made do with what was available here. So it did have some free weights, a couple of benches. It did have a cable machine with attachments, so we made it work. Hitting a leg day, hit the quads a little bit. That was our main focus. Then we can go around and explore some more, but we definitely needed this workout as we were traveling for a very long time. With goblet squats, 4 sets of 15 to 20 depending on what weight, and then we did walking lunges, 4 sets of 20 to 25 reps. I'm gonna do cable kickbacks, hitting the gluteus medius a little bit more. We obviously have to adapt a little bit because this is a very small gym. It doesn't have a lot of equipment, so I did find that handle that has the loop that I can put on my ankle. It's a lot more comfortable and you're able to get the angle of the exercise better. And then squats to hit a little bit more of the quads and burn the glutes. We're gonna do 3 more sets of that. We'll probably call it a day and hit the beach. Just got back to the room, took a shower real quick, and got ready to go to the beach. So this is the look. I'm wearing a blue bikini underneath. Little lay, ready to go to the beach. Let's go. Didn't spend too much time at the beach because I went by myself, so I was there for like probably an hour or two, and then we decided to take a trip along the island. So we rented a car and check out these awesome spots along the way. Look at how clear the water is. You can literally see right through it. We ended up seeing a stingray at the bottom from where we were at, and somebody was having this cool little airplane remote thing, which was kind of cool to see as well. But we definitely had a ton of fun exploring the island. It was very windy, but the beach was gorgeous. Okay, next spot, done. Beach is beautiful, but the bathrooms are out of order. So, gotta go in the porta potty. It's so windy. Look at this. There's some big ones over here, but the majority are like really tiny ones. Oh my goodness. No, maybe, yeah. Look at that wave.
Yeah, this is what I'm talking about.
Last workout before we head back. Today was basically back in biceps day, so getting in a quick little workout before we try and enjoy the rest of the time that we have here. But this was technically our last workout. We made it work again using the highest dumbbells that they had, doing some abs. This was literally my breakfast every single morning. It was delicious, so warm and so good. He really is not liking those birds. Sausage is so good.
It is.
So good. I think it's almost as good as the one we had at the Dominican Republic. Although I feel like this one's not as greasy. The guava juice is good too. Good morning. So today is actually our last day here in Hawaii. We're heading back tonight. Our flight did get canceled and moved around. Well, not canceled, but moved around. Because due to the storm that's about to hit the entire U.S. And so they're moving flights around, and now we're delayed. I'm so sad that we're leaving this place. It's so beautiful. Time to get back to reality. We're on the 14th floor right now. The beach is down there, the pool. the adjacent hotel, and there's Duke's, the restaurant Duke's right there that we had dinner last night. And then we have breakfast down here every morning, delicious breakfast. And then of course the beach is right there. How beautiful that is, you guys. I don't know what else we're gonna do during the day. I think we're just gonna like maybe walk around and at the stores and stuff, but that's about it. Just because we gotta get back and pack and get ready to leave. So before going to the airport, we had to stop and get some iced coffee from a local little shop. You gotta try the coffee. If you've been following me for a little bit, you know that I am a coffee lover. I've always liked the taste of coffee, and I, have to have some local coffee wherever I go. So this is a color that I like, that nice caramel color. I don't like the milk to overpower the taste of coffee. Then we're gonna head back to our hotel, grab an Uber, and head to the airport. Super sad that we're actually leaving today, but also excited to get back home. Our flight did get delayed, so we're not leaving until like midnight tonight. We originally were going to fly directly from Honolulu to Dallas, but now we're going from Honolulu to San Diego first, grabbing a plane from there to Dallas, and then from Dallas to Tampa. 3 planes to get all the way back home. So yeah, I don't know if that actually breaks up being sitting down for so many hours, if it breaks up the trip, or if it's actually going to be worse, because then obviously there's a delay in the connecting flight. You have to wait before boarding, find the gate, and then continue on from there. But it's been really fun being here in Waikiki, exploring. We did some hiking. We went to Diamond Head, so if you're ever in the area, I do recommend that you visit Diamond Head. It's a really nice, easy hike, but it has beautiful views. We also went to North Shore in the winters, where you see the major waves and people doing their surfing. I will see you guys at the airport and hopefully back home, getting back on track. We've kept pretty active, but obviously it's good to get back onto a routine, back into the gym, lifting some weights. The gym here at the hotel was really not that big. It didn't have a lot of equipment, but we got in a workout probably 3 or 4 days out of the 7 days that we were here. Whatever was there, we just made it work. And of course the walking and the hiking did help a lot. So to get back on track, I think for now we're gonna hold off on the trips for a little while for this year. I'll see you guys later.